In this video, I'm going to show you how to add plugins on Pro Tools. Now to do this, you want to go to the top here first and you want to click on View, and then you want to go to Edit Window Views, and then from here, you want to add one of these inserts. So usually I just use inserts A to E. I'm going to click on it over here, and as you can see next to your track, it's going to now show inserts A to E. What you want to do is click on an empty spot over here. So you're going to get 5 empty ones over here. Click on any of them. And then from here, as you can see, you have multi-channel plugins and then multi-mono plugin. So I'm going to use the multi-channel plugin right now. And in here, you have a bunch of different plugins, okay? So to add a plugin, you simply want to select which one you want. If I go and select reverb over here, I'm simply going to click on it like this, for example. And there we go. As you can see, it's going to give me a reverb over here. And I can go and customize it. I can change it using these settings over here and stuff like that. And yeah, that's essentially how to do it, okay? Now over here, as you can see, you have some buttons as well. You have the compare button, bypass, you have stuff like that. And then of course you can see the gain over here, which you can change as well if you wanna. And then when you're ready, you can just click on the X button over here, and it's going to set this reverb over here or whatever plugin you selected. And if you want to access this panel again, simply click on it over here inside one of these slots, which of course holds your plugin, and it's going to pop up like this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.